Every 5 years, the world watches Warsaw. The International Chopin Piano Competition is one of the most prestigious classical piano events. It has launched the careers of legends like Martha Argerich, Wendy Lee, and Bruce Liu. It's not just about technique, it's about soul, poetry, and how you play Chopin. On October 21st, 2025, the 19th International Chopin Piano Competition has just come to a close. What an unforgettable event it's been. From more than 640 applications, 162 artists played in the preliminary round, and 84 were chosen for the first round, 40 for the second round, 20 for the third round, and 11 for the final round. Today, I want to take a moment to congratulate all the winners and explore what makes each of them special. By the way, their performance videos is linked in the description. Let's start with the 6th prize winner, William Yang from United States. He's 24 years old and studied at Curtis Institute of Music. Currently, he is continuing his education at the Juilliard School under the guidance of Robert McDonough. Here is a comment from an audience member. Playing piano sounds incredibly easy to him. I agree that his technique is exceptional. For example, his Chopin Etude, Opus 25 No. 10, that piece is about octave technique. See how he plays so fast and accurate. A common mistake many students make is only use pinky and thumb to play the octaves, like this, which is completely wrong. Let's slow down the video so that you can see clearly. Use forefinger on the black key and the pinky on the white key can help your octave play more faster, secure, and efficient, like this. There are 2 fifth winners this year, Piotr Alexewicz from Poland and Vincent Wang from Malaysia. Piotr Alexewicz, a 25 years old native of Poland, studied in Poland and Switzerland. One audience member described his artistry beautifully. A combination of Russian pianism and Polish sensitivity, rooted deeply in Chopin's music, does wonders. I completely agree. His playing is deeply musical and poetic. One thing most students can learn from him is how smoothly he plays and how perfectly he connects each phrase. He uses finger replacements beautifully. For example, in his Mazurka, Opus 24 No. 1, can you see when he holds a key down with one finger, then quickly replaces it with another finger without releasing the key or breaking the sound? Again, this technique is called finger replacement. Like this, 2 to 3, another place, 2 to 3. The other 5th prize winner is Vincent Wang from Malaysia. He's 24 years old and currently studies in Berlin, Germany. I believe all the finalists are outstanding artists, but Vincent's playing stood out to me in a special way. When I listened to his performance, I was deeply moved. He immediately captured my attention. His playing is full of freedom, imagination, and most importantly, originality. He's truly unique. As many of us know, a performer with a unique style might not always be chosen as the winner in the competition because you have to satisfy all the jury members. Some might like you, others might like you less. But I just want Vincent to know, keep doing your own way. You always have a supportive audience behind you. What we need to learn from Vincent is his precise finger control. His fingers sing on the piano as if performing an operatic work. It's easy to make the piano as a percussion instrument with the choppy sound, but it's hard to make the piano sound like a string instrument with long, connected, and expressive sound. I suggest you click the video link in the description and listen to his full performance. I hope you feel the same way I do. There are 2 4th prize winners this year, Tianyao from China and Shiori Kuwahara from Japan. The Chinese girl Tianyao is only 16 years old. She studies in Poland currently. At such young age, her performance and stage appearance looks very elegant and professional. She also awarded as the best performance of a concerto. Here's a comment from an audience member. Hard to imagine a 16-year-old teenage achieving with such a high-level performance in every piece. She clearly has an incredible potential and bright future ahead. She played beautifully, no doubt, but what we can learn from her is her stage presence. She looks very elegant and confident on stage. So in the competition, she wore a dark purple gown, simple yet graceful. Her hair was pulled back, framing her face nicely from the side, with shiny and tasteful hair accessory. Her facial expression is just right, not too intense, not too restrict. You probably noticed she wasn't wearing glasses. Sometimes glasses can be distracting on stage, since most pianists get sweaty a lot when they perform on stage, and then it's easy to get glasses slip down. So when I perform on stage, I normally don't wear glasses. If it's necessary, I'll wear contact. Tianyao truly seemed to enjoy her performance, and as an audience member, I enjoy not only listening to her, but also watching her play. From now on, you might consider video recording yourself and reviewing the footage. Notice your outfit, your posture, your facial expression. See anywhere you can improve. You can become your own teacher by observing yourself from audience perspective. The other fourth prize winner is Shiori Kuwahara from Japan. She's 30 years old and has been the runner-up in several international piano competitions. Believe or not, he currently has the most views and comments online among all the finalists. Here is a comment from an audience member. After hearing her last movement of the B minor sonata, I wanted to marry her. It's a true expression of admiration and love from her audience. What we can learn from her is the importance of gaining a supportive audience. Of course, some people play piano just want to enjoy it and play for themselves. That's perfectly fine. But for those people who want to play for others, it's important to get used to play in front of people. The more you perform, the more confident you'll become on stage. No matter if you're a beginner, intermediate level player, or an adult amateur, you need to find opportunities to perform. Each time when you prepare for a performance, you will take it seriously, and afterwards, you will notice what you need to improve. Your family members, your friends, or even your pets can be your audience. Their support and encouragement helps you grow as a performer. The third place winner is Zitong Wang from China. She's 26 years old and currently studies at New England Conservatory under Deng Taisan. She also received the award for the best performance of Chopin Sonata. Here is a comment from an audience member. She's singing directly to the hearts. Congratulations to her for winning the bronze prize. What we can learn from her is how quickly she repositions her hands. If you want to build control and security in a faster tempo, you have to move your hands fast enough to find the next spot. In her scherzo Opus 20, her left hand jumps a lot, and her hands move so fast and confidently. So that's kind of another technique about the repositioning. So this is the wrong reposition. It's no secure at all. And see how she does the repositioning. And let me show you the slow way about the repositioning. This is the correct way. So you play and then move quickly, prepare, play, and move back quickly, prepare, play. That's what good repositioning looks like. Every note needs to be prepared in advance if you want to play with precision. The second prize winner is Chen from Canada. He's 20 years old and currently studies in Hanover, Germany. This is a comment from an audience member. Brilliant, masterful, secure technique. Yes, his technique really stands out. What we can learn from him is to use different finger shapes to play different pieces. When you play fast 16th notes passages, use curved finger position can help you create clear and crisp sound. When you play a slow movement sections, use slightly flatter fingers position to create warmer and more expressive tone. Finally, the first prize winner of the 2025 Chopin competition is Eric Liu from United States. He's 27 years old. 10 years ago, when he was 17 years old, he was the fourth prize winner of the same Chopin competition. Since then, his artistry has continued to grow. He was also the winner of prestigious Liszt piano competition and has performed with renowned orchestras and conductors around the world. Over the past decade, his playing has been noticed become more masterful and mature. This is a comment from an audience member. Eric's playing is at a different level in terms of tones, shaping, and inner voices. I completely agree. He deserves the crown of this year's competition. I really enjoyed his performance. A true artist. What we can learn from Eric is how to play with artistry. Some people ask me, how do jury members judge for the competition? How can you tell the difference? They all play so well. Yes, they are all excellent pianists. But remember, technique serves music. When we listen to these high-level pianists, we focus on how they express the soul and artistry within the music. This often happens in the slow movements or sections. Those movements can bring you tears or remind you to an old story. That's the true purpose of playing the piano, to let the audience follow you to the real musical world. Believe it or not, playing slowly is very difficult. Eric's finger touch is deliberate and well prepared. His wrist movement is connected with his fingers. Sometimes he plays a note and then adds a wrist motion afterwards that can enhance the sound quality. These are the details we need to learn from him in order to create a more expressive sound. Every pianist who played in the Chopin competition put in a lot of effort, practice, and dedication. Thank you to all the brilliant pianists for your inspiring performances. We truly appreciate your artistry. Hope to see you all again at the next Chopin competition.